If you've made a payment on PlayStation and need to request a refund, follow these simple steps to guide you through the process. Step 1. Visit the PlayStation support website. Go to the official PlayStation support website. This is where you can find the necessary information and resources to initiate your refund request. Step 2. Sign into your account. Log into your PlayStation Network account using your credentials. This will allow you to access your purchase history and initiate the refund process. Step 3. Locate your purchase. Once logged in, navigate to your purchase history. Find the transaction for which you want a refund. Make sure to note the details such as the date and amount of the transaction. Step 4. Select the refund option. Look for the option to request a refund. This may be labeled as request a refund or refund policy. Follow the prompts to select the specific purchase you want refunded. Step 5. Submit your request. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. In conclusion, following these steps will help you successfully request a refund from PlayStation. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to PlayStation support for further assistance.